Marquesi blockchain ecosystem will provide a transparent, scalable, speedy, fraud-free and 100% decentralized blockchain services, which will guarantee user stand, investor safety and profitability. A MKCY coming live soon on the following exchanges: Hotbit, QB, HOO and LBANK. Deposit and trading commences soon. The Marquesi Marketplace is a freelance platform which prioritizes the best interests of the buyers and sellers. Users of the Marquesi Marketplace can find a full spectrum of professional services with a wide range of methods of connecting buyers and sellers. Access to large market, first-rate service search algorithm, unique service page setup, prompt payment, minimal cost, charges and expenses, excellent 24/7 support system. Marketplace of Marquesi. Buyers and sellers connect safely for the best business needs transaction with a freelance platform. Marquesi Marketplace. Wallet of Marquesi. There and users can purchase, store, send and receive cryptocurrencies with the Marquesi wallet. Mainnet. In open distributed ledgers, Marquesi Mainnet, our enhanced blockchain network, has the capability to advertise and store the transactions. It helps us with the component technologies to offer cross-functional solutions to diverse problems. Self-mining of Marquesi. By simply depositing and storing Marquesi in their wallet, users can earn a bonus of a total 10% MKCY token with the support of an automated self-mining system of Marquesi. Marquesi ecosystem. Smart contracts. Without third-party intermediaries, legal practitioners, Marquesi smart contracts will drive transaction and agreements between two or more people or group on our platform. Digital health systems. For the global users, the health agencies, hospitals, allied health practitioners deliver first treatment and store crucial data. The electronic stored data will promote better healthcare for patients, ensure groundbreaking research by clinical researchers in the health sector, and even ensure patients are in better control of their data. Decentralized finance, DeFi. By using the phones at lower cost, we get access to the app, a plug-and-play decentralized app which enables users to access financial services. The DeFi platform will also drive alternate crypto transactions exchangeable with the Marquesi token and will strongly connect our digital currency platform. Marquesi Marketplace. The business transaction make the mainnet platform to exchange between two or more people. The virtual reality VR incorporation is accommodated by current prototypes for creating a global end-user experience. End-users can go as far as creating avatars that represent them and also trade and transact business using these avatars. Digital currency, cryptocurrency. The Marquesi is currently selling at a static price of $0.02 pre-sale and used to hold short-term and long-term investments. Smart consulting. On your platform, neural networks and machine learning are incorporated. The consultant relevance is not eliminated on the platform, but augments it and saves an user's resources and time. Data privacy. Data shared and transferred on our mainnet is strongly protected. This is achieved by allowing our global end users control their own data, preventing third-party intermediaries from obtaining and misusing the data. It also provides secure channels through which this data can be transferred. Government regulations. By closely working with government agencies, it determines the way for ensuring the laid down regulations to end users. The important sector is at the time of voting elections for ensuring electoral process transparency by storing the end users' votes and counting votes against the voter data. Digital music. Musicians are greatly benefited for Marquesi. The network helps the musician to get the financial and material support for reaching a huge audience and fans for getting better earnings. Energy. Marquee is prototyping peer-to-peer, P2P, energy trade and Internet of Things. Using a decentralized energy data platform and smart utility metering system value be created. By using the end user's energy, smart meters will communicate information to the users and to the energy companies, and all the records can be accessed by both parties. Distributed of tokens. The Marquee tokens are distributed for seed sales as 2%, airdrop or bounty as 5%, pre-sale as 7%, reserve as 7%, legal and licensing as 9%, marketing and branding as 15%, IEO as of 28%. Roadmap. The Marquee roadmap are mentioned below. 2020 Q1 Development of Tokens. 2020 Q2 Completion of Tokens. 2020 Q1 or Q2 Social Media and Communication Launch. 2020 Q2 White Paper Launch. 2020 Q2 Pre-sale initiated June 20th, 7 billion tokens at 0.02 cents. 2020 Q2 after pre-sale follows an airdrop rollout. 2020 Q3 pre-sale completed. 2020 Q3 or Q4 launch of public coin IEO. 2020 Q3 or Q4 testing of marketplace private data. 2020 Q4 or 2021 Q1 launch on exchange. 2020 Q4 or 2021 Q1 launch on Marquee marketplace. 2020 Q4 or 2021 Q1 launch of referral program. 2021 Q2 or Q3 wallet development. Estimated 2021 Q4 Marquee exchange development is followed after Marquee wallet launch. Estimated 2021 Q4 development of self-mining development is followed after Marquee wallet launch. Development of Marquee mainnet after the Marquee exchange and Marquee self-mining launch development is followed.